हाय गाइस, क्या हाल है। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। क्या चल रहा है यार, बताओ बताओ। यहाँ पे मेकअप चल रहा है और इसके बाद भी यू ओनली वॉच मेकअप, राइट? सो या इन दिस एंटायर वीडियो ओके। सो हाय गाइस, क्या हाल है। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। क्या चल रहा है? यहाँ मेकअप चल रहा है, quite evident. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to recreate this look. I just thought of, shooting the introduction once the look is done so that I don't have to explain it a lot. But yeah, so this is the look we'll be working upon. And yeah, you know it by now. So you'll see me in the next clip wherein I start from scratch. For some reason, I wanted to basically, create an eye look around gold is the color, like golden is the color. तो मैंने सोचा यार वीडियो बना लेते हैं, कुछ तो बनेगा यार। एंड थोड़ा सा कट क्रीज होगा, थोड़ा सा ब्राउन होगा, थोड़ा सा गोल्डन होगा। वीडियो का नाम मैं बाद में सोचूंगी, but then yeah, it's going to basically match the outfit that I'm wearing, and it's going to be a little heavy. Like the eye makeup is going to be a little heavy, so that's something that you can pull off. If you're going for a wedding, for a function, or for a family get together, something where the occasion is like a little big. So yeah, why am I talking so much? Let's just start the way. So I have moisturized my face as it's clearly visible. Let's just continue. So I am using Macna Prep and Prime, and yeah, मैं ना ज़्यादा बोलूँगी नहीं, ठीक है? मैं ना बस जल्दी जल्दी मेकअप करूँगी क्योंकि फिर एडिट करने में बहुत टाइम जाता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. So we will start with the eyes obviously, and I'm going to take Fit Me Ka concealer. This is a liquid concealer, and we'll create a base like always. But this time बहुत ज़्यादा लगाएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि हमें कट क्रीज भी करना है बाद में, right? So like a generous amount but not too much. Now I'll take a छोटा beauty blender and I will basically blend it. Now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty का Sand Haze palette and पूरे eyelid को एक बहुत ही light color से we'll basically cover, and उसके ऊपर we'll start building the rest of the eye look. So I'm going to basically place this color all over the eyelid, and बहुत ही generous amount लेकर just like dab the excess like you could see, right, and just place it all over your eyelid. Wow, right? So we have the base to work upon. Now I will take another brush from the pack series only, and from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to basically take this color. It's a very dark brown, and I will take generous amount of the product, and I will create a winged eyeliner on the crease line. This is a flat brush. I will take a lighter brush to define it later, but वो हम बाद में करेंगे. So we'll just start with this first. Okay, and you have to have a very light hand to do this, because you don't want कि वो smudge हो जाए, फिर वापस concealer लगाओ, and we repeat the drill again. So we don't want that. So with a very light hand, we'll try to place it. Okay. Take as much time as you want, please. Don't. You see? Wow. कुछ वाव नहीं है इसमें, रुक जाओ. Now I'm going to take a very thin brush and we will define it, okay? ये color लो अगर लेना है तो, and now define it, okay? ऊपर की साइड से we will try to define it, not basically the inner side, because उसके ऊपर we will do the cut crease, so that will be taken care of later. Right, okay. Now the Fit Me Ka concealer we need again. we take another clean brush. This is Vika का clean brush, right? And I will try to create a cut crease जिसके ऊपर हम glitter लगाएंगे. Now basically we'll take the brush and we'll place it below whatever boundary we've created. But ये भी बहुत आराम से करना है because you really don't want to redo the entire process. So you basically have the base to work upon. I like to dab it a little. Right, so from LA Girl ka palette, I will basically take Trendy is basically the shade of golden that I'm going to work around because you know इसमें थोड़ा सा there is a slight tint of brown, right? And I would generously place it over the cut crease that I've created. Can you see? I hope so. थोड़ा सा I'm taking another glitter which is cheerful and this just matches whatever I'm wearing right now. Wow, right. Okay, now so that part is done, right? Now I will take from the same palette black color which is Vogue and I will try to create a winged eyeliner, normal winged eyeliner जो हम बनाते हैं. But yeah, so there's like a finish that you get to the entire look, right? And now I will take basically a clean brush and the same brown का shade like जो हमने ऊपर लगाया था, the transition shade, I will put it towards the waterline ताकि पूरा ये eye complete हो जाए. And I will do this eye off cam. From the same palette, I will go with Posh as the color and I will place it on the waterline, right? And yeah, that's how one eye will basically be complete. Wow. So this eye is complete. I will do this eye off camera and I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm back. I did this eye off camera. I also put the lashes off camera because I just thought that's going to take a lot of time. Now we will work towards the rest of the face and I will take a clean brush and I'm going to take color corrector. This is Forever 52 ka color corrector and we will work with orange is the color and I will take generous amount of the product and I will actually place it over all the blemishes. Now I will take a beauty blender and I will obviously wet it and we'll try to blend all of this properly, right? So again, we start the blend thing. Now I will take Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 230. I will take 2 pumps and we'll place it all above the color corrector and then blend again. The base is done. Okay, now I will take the setting powder. This is Fit Me ka setting powder, loose powder. I am in the shade 15 and I will just place it all over my face and then we'll start working on the eyebrows. So now we'll basically contour our face and this is a very good contour stick. This is basically Maybelline ki V Face Duo Stick. I am in the shade dark And I'll start with the forehead. I will get it towards this part, and then obviously I will contour, you know, over here. So we will try to make a 3. We'll start with the forehead, if you can see, right? And you don't have to get it all the way towards, this part. You can just let it be here, and then a 3. Blush will always go here, and over that we'll have the highlighter, right? So again, we'll do the same on this side as well. So back to our job. Blend. So now we basically put blush. I am taking Rimmel London Ka Maxi Blush, and here we take the product and I will place it now. Right, can you see? I like to put it on my nose also. That's again optional. So we'll start with the eyebrows, and I'm going to explain it. It's self-explanatory. Pehle brush karo, like obviously you brush it, right, and then you fill it. Lighter shade goes first, and if there is need, you basically end with the dark shade. Okay. Now highlighter, literally my favorite part. And this is Huda Beauty ka 3D highlighter palette, and we place highlighter all over our face. Aaj kaun sa le? I think we'll go with Azure, because आज हमने golden eye shadow किया. We're wearing gold, so we can actually go with the golden highlighter, and we take it, right, and we place it. Oh shit! You see that? So we're done with the face, and the only thing we're left with is the lip shade. I will be using Jeffree Star ka Weller liquid lip shade. That's how it looks, and yeah, I'll place this, and we're done with the entire video then. So yeah. Wow. And we're done. Just a little setting spray. Okay, and we're done. That's how the makeup looks. And yeah, tell me, what are your thoughts in the comment section? I really like it. I think it's the first time I've gone like an all brown look. Like obviously my clothes are brown. The eyeshadow works around brown color. The lip shade is also brown, right? So it looks very pleasing. Yeah, I had a lot of fun creating it. Tell me, what are your thoughts in the comment section? And yeah, I'll see you with another video next week. Bye bye. Take care.